What's going on, everybody? Welcome back again. I have an update on what I've sold in the last couple of months for you. The summer of 2021 has been really slow for me, so this is going to be a pretty quick video to show you guys just what I've sold. It's almost kind of embarrassing, especially for the month of July, so I'm going to combine the month of July and the month of August in this one video for you guys today. If you guys have been watching before, I did take a vacation in July, so I had my eBay shut off for about 10 days. So obviously I'm not going to sell as much in July because I did have vacation mode activated for a while. In the month of July, I only sold one item, which was an Audi headlight LED module. I sold that for $45. I paid $8 for shipping. So obviously you guys can do the math. I barely made any money off of that one item, and I basically didn't make any money for the month. It was very discouraging that I only sold one item in the month, but I was not listing a lot of things on eBay. And then, like I said, I went on vacation mode for 10 days. So with that combination, there wasn't much for the buyers to buy, and I only sold that one item. So that's for the month of July this year. And now I'll get into the month of August. The month of August was more like normal for me. I sold 9 items, and I will list those items out for you guys right now. Mercedes-Benz CLS 550 blind spot sensor, $135 plus $5 shipping. Mercedes-Benz CLS 550 lane assist camera, $75 plus $5 shipping. Mercedes-Benz CLS 550 parking module, $50 plus $5 shipping. Hyundai Sonata daytime running light, $100 plus $15 shipping. Volvo XC90 door handle, $30 plus $7 shipping. Mercedes-Benz speaker, $50 plus $8 shipping. Volkswagen Passat grill, $135 plus $35 shipping. An Audi Q5 grill, $250 plus $50 shipping. And a Toyota Tacoma emblem, $135 plus $10 shipping. So those were the 9 items. They added up to $910 altogether, plus $140 to ship the items. It cost me $142 to ship the items, so I obviously lost $2 on the shipping, but as you guys know, I like to be pretty even with the shipping. If I make some money, it's awesome. Some months I lose some money, but losing $2 is really no big deal. So that all worked out very good and very evenly for me. So with the shipping subtracted, I ended up with $908. And then minus the eBay fees, I ended up with $790 altogether at the end. As you can see, it's a little bit lower than some months, but it is right in my average that I usually do. So it was still a pretty good month. Obviously, if you average the month of July and the month of August together, it is horrible. But you know, this month wasn't that bad. With the 9 items, it's $87 per part on average. So that's a little bit lower than what I aim for. The best thing is I sold 3 things from my Mercedes-Benz parts car that added up to $260. I sold all of those to the same buyer. So I got $15 in shipping, and it only cost me $8 to combine them and ship them. I also sold 1 item from my Volvo XC90 parts car for $30, which obviously is not a lot, but it's just one more item that I can add to the profit of that car. As you can see, it's been very slow this year, this summer. There's probably a lot of factors that go into that, but you know, I'm looking forward to, you know, next month, hopefully I can get some more parts on eBay. If you guys can see around me in the office, I do have some more boxes stacked up, which means that these parts are on eBay. Hopefully I can sell some more items and get some more money, but still this summer I've been doing a lot of other things around the house that I've been trying to take care of. So once I get that done, then I can do eBay a lot more. So hopefully I can get there, you know, in the fall before winter time comes. So that's about it for this video. If you guys are new here, please subscribe. It means a lot to me so I can keep making this content for you. If you are returning subscribers, thank you for watching as always, and I will see you next time.